In today's tutorial video for Mac lovers and users, we're going to talk about how to use your Mac keyboard shortcut to create a screenshot of something. Now you can see in front of you that I have an image here, and this image is just something I pulled up so I can show you exactly how to create a screenshot. You can use this once you know how to do it, this shortcut to screenshot anything anywhere that you might need. Now, this will come in handy because sometimes you may not want to share a specific image as the image in its full capacity. You might want to share a screenshot, which is in a lower quality capacity. Or you might need to share with somebody to say, hey, what do you think of this? Do I need to make any changes? But you don't want to necessarily send them a document. This is another way in which you can use this. And there are plenty of other ways in which you can use this keyboard shortcut. So let's get started. In front of you, you can see that I have an image here. Now I just created this for my sister's wedding, and it's just, you know, something for the bridal shower. Don't worry about what it is, but I'm going to use this to show you how to create your screenshot. So the very first step that you're going to do is go ahead and go to the page or the content that you want to screenshot. You need to obviously have this open and visible to you, because if it isn't, you're not going to be able to screenshot it. The next thing you're going to go ahead and do is take your mouse. You can see I have my mouse over here on the left-hand corner, and I'm going to place my mouse there. And what I'm going to do is press Shift Command 4 all at the same time on my computer keyboard. So again, that's Shift Command 4, and you're going to press them all at the same time. Once you have the little crosshairs that you see now that my mouse has turned into, then that says to us we can go ahead and select a portion of our screen that we want to screenshot. Now, this is not going to screenshot your entire screen. This is going to allow you to pick the portion of the screen that you want to screenshot specifically. One little piece of caution of advice: once you start selecting, make sure that you keep your hold on your mouse on the left mouse button so that we can drag this across, and we're going to then do the selection that way. We have to make sure that we don't let go of our mouse as we are doing our screenshotting and choosing what we're going to screenshot. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to mouse left click, holding it down, and you can see I am dragging it across my screen. So let's just pretend we want to only take a picture of this entire invitation thing and not any of the background. Now I've held it down and kept my finger on that left mouse key, and this is where the next step comes in. Once you let go of this mouse, it's going to take a screenshot of the area that you have selected and chosen it to do. So remember that if you've only selected this much and you let your finger go, it will only screenshot that much. So you want to make sure, or also if you go over, it's going to take a screenshot with that like piece that's on the side. So we want to make it as good as we can. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to let go of that mouse, and it's going to screenshot the selected area. You're going to hear in your earphones or come across your Mac a picture taking kind of sound. This lets you know that your screenshot has been taken. So let's let go, and we're going to see that happen. And you can hear it does almost as if you're taking a picture. And then what this is going to do, the last thing is you're going to need to know where the heck that screenshot was located so you can use it for whatever you needed to use it for. Automatically, what happens when you take a screenshot is it's going to be loaded onto your desktop, and it's just going to have the name called screenshot. It's not going to have a specific name. So if you need to rename this, you're going to go over there and rename your file. If you just want to send it as is and you don't need to worry about the name of the file, you can now go ahead and send this screenshot any way that you need to. Now remember, screenshots are not high quality images. They will work for the majority of applications, but they're not high quality enough for print or other high quality uses that you might need them for. So just keep that in mind when you're creating your screenshots. They're more low quality than high quality. So Now that you know how to screenshot a portion of your Mac screen, what are you going to use this screenshot keyboard shortcut for? I'd love to hear in the comments what you're going to be using it for.